Hey guys, Gary Walker here and welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is a place you can come to and get straightforward training and nutrition information and personal tips that will help you create your best self. On my channel, you're gonna get tons of workout videos, nutrition videos, and tips and secrets that I've acquired over my 30-year training career. And basically, everything you need to help you build and sculpt your dream body. I've helped thousands of men and women over the years completely transform their lives, and I want to do the same for you. Whether you're someone wanting to pack on mass and size, or you're a hard gainer that's never been able to build muscle no matter what you've tried, or if you're trying to lose fat and you want to sculpt an attractive body, or if you're just trying to get in the best shape of your life, I can help you reach your goals as quickly and as optimally as possible, regardless of what your goals are. Here's the thing though, it's not always going to be easy. You're not always going to have outside help or support or even encouragement, but no one else can control your mind. And it starts with your mindset. You first need to believe it, then go out and just make it happen. And I'm here to teach you how to do it quickly. When I first started, had absolutely no support. This was back in 1987. I was a skinny kid looking for guidance, encouragement, and I was willing to accept help from anybody. Unfortunately, there was no one there to help. This is why I'm so passionate about helping others achieve their fitness success. I know how hard it is to do this alone with no plan, no accountability, and no encouragement, and even no guidance along the way. I've studied various training principles and nutrition strategies for years, and I made a ton of mistakes early on, but here's the thing. I was able to learn from those mistakes and learn the strategies that actually work best. I've also learned what doesn't work and what's a complete waste of time. So I'll be sure to share those with you as well. This is also the reason I offer my personalized online training and why I spent thousands of dollars creating a private training app that allows me to work closely with all my clients. I personalize a plan to your specific needs, your goals, and I make sure you have absolutely everything you need to succeed. My training program gives you complete personal access to me, and I create new plans for you every 4 weeks to ensure progress and to keep you motivated and to give you something new to get excited about every 4 weeks. I'll also make changes to your nutrition plan and your workout plan as often as we need to. My ultimate goal is to make sure you are successful. And here's the thing, since you stayed into the end and watched my entire trailer, I'm gonna offer you a special one-time offer on my training, okay? And yes, my training package is already less expensive than anything else you're likely to find out there. However, my goal when I created my program was to make it affordable for everybody. So if you're ready to become a part of the Walker Fit Muscle family, then just go to walkerfitmuscleonline.com. There's actually a link here in the description that will take you there. Once you get there, use the code WFM40 to get 40% off my training program, and you will get to train with me for a little over 28 bucks per month. That's only $7 per week, and I will guide you personally through every step, through every month, and I'll be here to ensure your success, to make sure you have absolutely the best plan to build an amazing body, and I'll help you create your best self. That being said though, if you're not interested in the personalized training, then that's completely okay. But please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos to learn how you can create the body that you want, the body that you deserve. I'm gonna continue to provide you with great workout and nutrition videos that will teach you how to do things the right way and get results as quick as possible. Again, I want you to transform your life so you can experience increased confidence, better health, and rock that sexy body you deserve. That being said, God bless.